welcome guys. Today guys, we're gonna do a random house review, as you can see behind me here. So yeah, click the like, subscribe button, and also Charlotte says hello. Hello. Yeah, I'm gonna pass you the playground. Yeah. Anyway guys, we're gonna do a small review right now. It's a random thing. We didn't plan for it. But yeah, click the subscribe button. Tell us what you think about this house. It's a 4-point-something million house. So let's go check it out and see how it is. Yeah. Woof.
This could be us. So back to what I was saying. Could be us.
Johannesburg languages here. Okay. Yes, I'm originally from Johannesburg.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Okay. So, oh wow, this is nice. So this is the living room, I guess.
This is the living room, dining room, braai, also indoor braai.
Oh, indoor braai. Oh wow, nice.
Yeah, very nice. Gallery.
Gallery. Fancy name. All of us, it looks kitchen to us. Oh, they're hiding the kitchen stuff. Okay.
Yeah, so that's like where you throw all your dishes.
Yeah.
And your people.
And the washing machine is at the end there or something.
Yeah, washing machines at the end. Oh. Double door fridges here.
Oh, nice. Double door. I was catered for 1 bedroom and these other flats and stuff.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Nice. Okay. Then outside the very chill area, you can put grass, I guess.
I think it will be put grass. It's still finishing off.
Okay.
But it will probably be like astro turf.
Okay, it's kind of big actually. I didn't think it was this big. Yeah. It's almost the same as the other one I saw in Somerset West when we had time.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it's a long time ago. We did buy recently, but we're looking for a house just to think about because they saw their building here. Okay. But it wasn't today. It was like we check it out later or something. Yeah, but I guess it's not happening here. It's like oh, storage nyan under the steps. Okay.
And then there's a first bedroom down here with the bathroom.
Oh yeah, this one's like visitors and stuff. Yeah, and this one's
the first bedroom.
First bedroom. The kid I don't like must deal with the thieves.
Oh, this is the guests, right?
Yeah.
Office.
Yeah. Okay. Office is a.
Yeah.
Well, this is not bad. This is beautiful. And it has a shower or no shower? Oh, it has a shower. Oh, nice.
So you don't have to all go upstairs.
Yeah, Charlotte. Come, let's check upstairs. So you always doing on-shoring thingy on Sundays or what?
Yeah, on Sundays.
Okay, I must take your business card so I can ask Mrs. to come with us on another day. Yeah. Because we've been looking at these things being built in front of us. And we're not sure how they look like inside.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So Sunday's the best day because then you have access to the houses.
Oh, okay.
This is the bedroom.
Oh, wow. There's a lot of storage here.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll come back later. Yeah, and also you can switch your bed. I had this thing of having one side of a bed. Okay.
Many views, many.
Oh, I like this part. Yeah. Yeah. I wonder how you put curtains. Oh, there's no curtains behind me. Okay.
Maybe you can trust.
We can put that sellotape thing next to it, not like
So
open. Yeah. And the views. Okay, neighbors value if you know each other. Yeah. Okay, this is nice. And this is like double door like. Okay. Okay, it's not close, Charlotte. And this is the ensuite. Ah, this is proper. How? This is proper. I thought this thing was like these rooms were tiny and stuff. Yo.
More office homework for them.
Yeah, I can even put my laptop here, the one for everyone to use. Yeah. Then these are the bedroom for the kids, I guess.
Yeah. Sorry, I did say this is sold. The one that's sold is that one.
Oh, that one is sold, that one.
Yes, that's the one for 5.2.
Yeah. This one, 4.850 is not sold yet.
Sold, yes.
Oh, okay, I see. This is nice. Sheesh.
Yeah.
Okay.
You made yourself at home.
Ewan, come out. We'll leave you there. Okay.
And this one has a bathtub and
okay.
fully tied to the top.
Yeah, it looks similar to what we have right now.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but it's okay. You know.
Where did you guys buy?
2 years ago, sort of, give or take.
Yeah.
Around like.
You said Sandown?
No, yeah, in front of you.
Oh.
Yeah, in Ballowin, one of these Ballowin places. Yeah.
Oh, nice. Yes.
So So anyway, we're still thinking about just renting it that one and buy another house or something. Yeah.
What I did,
Yeah.
I bought the not famous second boss.
Second boss,
And
okay.
then I rented out and then
Yeah, I was also thinking about buying second boss as another one to rent it out just in here. But we'll see how financials, Cape Town. And if it doesn't Cape Town to us Jews, it was going to be easy thing.
simple, right?
Yeah, but Cape Town, you have to balance life with your life. And the problem is that the rent doesn't also cover everything sometimes.
That's true. Because
There's levies and rates. But actually, this is nice. Thank you very much for showing us in here. I like this way when you. Okay, except here we're coming back from work, but you park your car here. So this door is big.
It's huge.
Wow.
It's huge. It's very stylish.
And also the phone is connected to your landline and stuff, or what?
So I think it goes to the bell outside.
Oh, for the bell
You
outside.
have to always say, hey, who is it?
Oh, okay. And the bright, the smoke does not come down, or what?
No, so it's like a chimney goes.
Okay. So you don't need a bright stand outside. You just.
No.
Oh, this is like charcoal. Okay, I see.
So you can take it, go all over.
Okay. This is nice. And then when who cleans it? The chimney. You see, these things are nice, man. Yeah? So does it have internet in one of these converted bedrooms, or does it have one place for your router, or you can have like one spot for your router? What?
One spot, maybe even under there.
Oh,
To
okay.
hotspot the whole house, but they are fiber already.
Oh, they're fiber ready already. Okay, this is nice. And also, yeah, Carlo, come. And so double parking and stuff, or double cars.
You can also add 2 more cars at the back.
Yeah.
Then the park is very close by.
Yeah, I saw that one.
Then yard space, garden at the front. And
Emma, let me take a picture of this website or your email
yes.
so that you can try to see if you can contact them. Business cards are gone. This time it's too late. Anyway, thank you so much, guys. Yeah, Shadow, watch your cars. Watch your cars. Yeah, no, I have to show Mrs. Maybe he might come if he's still available next week.
Yeah.
Might come back and check. I'll just check for the flags. If the flags are still here, I'll just come by. Okay, thanks. Okay, Shadow, let's go. Gonna pass by the park. Want to see the park? Want to see the park?
Bubba, look, that's fine.
Yeah, you see? Yeah, it's beautiful. Yeah, that was a quick views of these houses, guys. I didn't mean to even start it, but boom, we're viewing houses. So guys, yeah, you see, it's very cloudy today, by the way. We just did a review without any intro. Hope you enjoyed that. Yeah, anyway, this was the review for one of these beautiful houses that are being built here in Sandowns area or Sunningdale area. Yeah, whatever you call it, this is it. And hope you guys you liked it. Otherwise, please do click the subscribe button, leave a like, in the comments. Tell us what you think about this. Otherwise, we'll see you guys later. We'll try to do a proper one next time, guys.
Bye, I'll see you later.
Bye.
This could be us. So back to what I was saying.